Okay, and one more is 2 sin A into your sin B. 2 sin A into sin B will be equal to cos A minus B. In the place of plus, you write minus. So this will be your cos A plus B. Very, very important relations, beta. You need to remember them. And while doing the beats chapter, we'll be getting this formula, that is sin C plus of your sin of your D will be equal to 2 sin C plus D divided by 2 into your cos C minus D divided by 2. While doing the maxima minima of your beats concept, we'll be using this one during the derivation of that one, beta. The same way, if I am writing sin C minus sin D, sin C minus of your sin D, this will become for me 2. This will be cos C plus D divided by 2 into this one will be your sin C minus D divided by 2. Just in the place of sin, you keep the value of your cos. The same way, if I am writing cos C plus of your cos D, it needs a little bit of a practice, beta. Don't try to take it lightly, but it is very important while doing the numericals part of relation. Sin C plus of your cos C plus of your cos D will be equal to, this one is 2 cos C plus D divided by 2 into your cos of your C minus D divided by 2. And the last formula of this one is cos C minus cos D. Just in the place of your cos, you keep the value of your sin. So this will be 2 into sin C plus D divided by 2 into, this one is sin C minus D divided by 2. Sorry, it is D minus of your C. Okay. So these are the some of the trigonometric formulas you need to remember for the doing of your numericals, better. And almost all the trigonometric formulas, Rashanu, maybe some of the here and there formulas while doing the differentiation part, we can try to calculate for the given condition. But this much of knowledge is more than enough for doing the problems related to your trigonometric understanding part of relation. Okay. Now let us try to go in the faster way. The next one is about your concept of your differentiation. Next one is your concept of differentiation. In a simple language, if I need to tell the differentiation means cutting any given body into small parts. Like say for example, if I'm taking any small element, like say for example, if this is a regular body and if I take any small part of this one, if total length of this body is say for example L, and if I'm taking the small part of that one, that is nothing but DL. This DL represents the small element. Like say if L is 1 meter, if this is 0.01, 0.01 is very small element of your L, isn't it? That small element of any regular body is called as a what? Differentiation. Is called as a what? Differentiation part. That means in mathematics language, we generally write this one as something like y is equals to, if it is the function of your x. That means what? X is right now your independent variable and y is what for me? Dependent variable. Y is depending upon the value of your x. So I can write here, x is right now for me independent variable, is an independent variable, whereas y is your dependent variable. Dependent variable. Dependent variable. So if I'm getting the value y is equals to your f of x, differentiation of this term is always given. Chana pedda calculations unnai, but that is not required for BPC students. So I'm writing directly result of that one. Differentiation is represented by the symbol like d by over dx. Okay, or dy by your dz, or dy anything. So like addition we are having a symbol, like subtraction we have a symbol, multiplication we have a symbol, and as well as of your division we are having the symbol. So as the in the algebra we are having the symbol, the same way for the differentiation the symbol is d by dx. This dx is totally one term. We'll never read this one as d into x. This dx is nothing but what? Small element. The symbol of the differentiation is nothing but d by dx part of relation. So the first formula what I will be representing in this one is if y is equals to some x to the power of your n dy by over dx, dy by over dx is equals to n into your x to the power of n minus 1. So this is the formula which you already know it, but just I'm writing it for the recap part of relation, that if y is equals to some x to the power of your n, then dy by dx is equals to n into x to the power of your n minus of your 1. Like an example, if I give you a function right now, like say y is equals to your x, then what is the value of your dy by dx beta for this one? So if I'm writing the value of your dy by dx, how much can you write for this one beta? Dy by your dx is equals to, in the place of y, I'm writing x by your dx. So what is the power right now here? This one is nothing but of your x to the power of, this one is 1 into x, 1 minus 1.
1.
X to the power of 0 is how much for me? 1. That means this comes out for me how much? 1. Clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? In the same way, one more example if I'm taking right now. Y is equals to x to the power of 4. So dy by dx कितना हो जाएगा बताओ जल्दी से? Dy by dx is equals to 4 into x to the power of 4 minus 1. So this will be 4 into your x cube. Isn't it? The same way, y is equals to x to the power of, like say 5 by 2. Then dy by dx is equals to how much better? Dy by dx is equals to 5 by 2 x to the power of 5 by 2 minus 1. That means this will become for me 5 by 2 x to the power of, this will become for me 3 by 2. In the same way, if I'm getting y is equals to root x, so I can write root x as x to the power of 1 by 2. So dy by your dx is equals to, this one is 1 by 2 x to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1. That means this is 1 by 2 x to the power of minus 1 by 2. Minus, if I bring down, this can be written as 1 by 2 into root of your x. Clear beta? Isn't it?
Yes,
The same
sir.
way, if I'm taking y is equals to x to the power of your 2 by 3, then what is the dy by dx beta? Dy by dx is equals to, this is 2 by 3 x to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1. That means this one is 2 by 3 x to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1 is how much beta? Minus of 1 by 3. That means this will become for me 2 by 3 x to the power of 1 by 3. Isn't it? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So that is a basic standard formula of the first form of a differentiation. If y is equals to x to the power of your n, then dy by dx is equals to n into x to the power of your n minus of your 1 part of a relation. Clear for everyone beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
See this one beta. Very important. Find the differentiation. Find the differentiation of 1 by x to the power of n. 1 by x to the power of n, where x is not equal to 0 with respect to x. With respect to x. This will make it as a shortcut formula later. But right now, just remember this, the differentiation of 1 by x to the power of n. Okay? If I am taking let y is equals to 1 by x to the power of n, that means this will become for me x to the power of minus n. Now from the formula we know that dy x to the power of minus n minus 1. That means this will become for me minus n divided by, this minus if I'm taking down, this will become for me n plus 1. Isn't it? So here I can write here dy by your dx, dy by dx is equals to minus of your n divided by x to the power of n plus of your 1. Provided x is not equal to 0. Provided x is not equal to 0. Clear for everyone? If y is equals to 1 by x to the power of n, then dy by dx is equals to minus n divided by x n power of x to the power of n plus 1, where x is not equal to 0. Where x is not equal to, is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Example today.
Yes, sir.
Like if y is equals to 1 by x, if I am writing y is equals to your 1 by x. And what is the dy by dx beta for this one? Dy by dx will be equal to how much for me? What is the power here right now? Power is nothing but of your 1.
1.
So power is nothing but 1 means this will become for me how much?
X to
Minus
the
1
power minus 1.
divided by x to the power of this one is how much for me? 1 plus 1. That means this is minus 1 divided by x square. Can I write like this? Isn't it? In the same way, if I take one more example, let's say y is equals to 1 by x square. I can write for this one dy by over dx is equals to, what is the power here, beta? Power is equals to how much for me? 2. So this one is minus 2 divided by x to the power of 2 plus
2
1.
plus 1.
This one is minus 2 x to the power of your 3. Clear? Like that we can go on, take n number of an examples till we go on understand. 1 by x to the power of 4, 1 by root x, or like say 1 by, like if I'm giving you the relation, y is equals to 1 by x to the power of 2 by 3. Apdu dy by over dx is equals to, what I'll be writing right now, beta? What is the power? Can you tell me? What is the power right now? Power is equals to minus
Minus
of
2 by
your
3.
2 by 3 divided by x to the power of 2 by
2 by
3 plus
plus
of
1.
your
Plus
1.
1.
Isn't it? Then what will be the answer I'll be getting? So this will be minus of your 2 by
2 by
3
3.
x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 1 is how much for me? 5 by
5 by
3.
3.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So these are the some of the relations. So what I'll do is right now, I'll write all the differentiation formulas at one position. So differentiation of some important functions. Of some important functions. Of some important functions. Okay. I'll write all of them at one point so that it will be easy for you while doing the revisions. Like say, first one, if I'm writing d by dx of x to the power of your n, that is equals to nx n minus of 1. If it is differentiation of your x by your dx, that is always equals to 1. Third one, d by dx of your root x is always equals to 1 by 2 into root x. And differentiation of your d by dx of 1 by your x, that will be equal to minus of
Minus
1
1.
by x square. The same way, d by dx into 1 by x to the power of your n, that will be equal to minus n divided by x n plus of your 1, provided x is not equal to 0. The sixth one is differentiation of your sine. Differentiation of your sin x by your dx. This is always equals to how much, beta? Cos x.
Cos x.
The same way, differentiation of your cos x, d by dx of your cos x will be equal to minus of
Minus
your
sin.
sin x. Minus of your sin x. The same way, differentiation of your tan x. Differentiation of your tan x will be equal to, this will be equal to your secant square x.
Secant square x.
Secant square x. The ninth one is differentiation of your cot x, d by dx of your cot of your x. Cot x will be equal to how much, beta? Minus of
Minus
your
cosecant.
cosecant square x. Cosecant square x. The same way, differentiation of your secant x. So this will be equal to how much, beta? Can anyone tell me? Sec x into your
Sec x,
tan
tan
x.
x.
The same way, if I'm writing right now, differentiation of your cosecant x, that will be equal to minus of
Minus
your
cot x.
cosecant x into your cot x. Okay. The same way, differentiation of e to the power of x by your dx. This is always equals to e to the power of.
Power x.
This is really very important. While doing the nuclear physics, exponentials akkada vastayi kabatti, so you need to remember the differentiation of e to the power of x is nothing but always e to the power of your x part of relation. Very, very important part of relation. The next one is nothing but of your differentiation of log x. This one is also very important. D by
What
dx
x?
of your log of your x will be equal to how much for me?
1 by
1 by
1
x.
by x.
Log x is also called as of your natural logarithm, that is nothing but of your ln x అని కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం. We can even write as of your ln x part of a relation. Clear? The same way, differentiation of any constant, differentiation of your any constant will be equal to how much, beta?
0.
0.
Will be equal to your 0. So these are the some of the standard forms we need to remember for BPC students only. We are having even some trigonometric functions like sin inverse x, cos inverse x, cot inverse x, and secant inverse x. But for BPC students, that is not required because we don't get that level type of a questions for the medical entrances. So this much of basic knowledge is much required, or more than enough in the differentiation part of a relation. Okay. So let us try to go a little bit in detail about this one. First one is rules for differentiation, or I can write rules of your differentiation. Rules of your differentiation. While I'll be doing the problems of kinematics while using differentiation, you should not get confused, or you should not ask me again, so what is the formula will give. So be little bit careful here only and try to learn all the rules for the given condition. So rule number 1, I'm taking right now, rule number 1. Okay. So what is the given condition is, if I'm saying that y is equals to some constant c and u. C is what, beta? Constant. U is nothing but what? Differentiable function. Then dy by dx. dy by dx is equals to, bring the constant out and differentiate du by your dx. Is it clear for everyone? Is it
Yes,
clear for
sir.
everyone? If y is equals to some constant and u is nothing but what? Differentiable function. This one is nothing but of your differentiable function. Differentiable function. Then bring the constant out and differentiate the given u with respect to your x part of a relation. Is it clear for everyone? Example,
sir.
if I'm giving it right now, like say first example, y is equals to 5 into your x cube. Then find dy by dx beta for this one. Dy by dx is equals to, directly can I write, this one is 5. This is differentiation of your x cube by your dx. That means this will come out for me 5. Differentiation of x cube means what will be the answer for this one beta? 3 into x 3 power minus 1. That means this will become for me 5 3 is a 15 into your x square. Clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I'm going fast, you please let me know. I'll try to reduce the speed. That's not an issue. The next one. If y is equals to 2 by your x square, then how do you write this one? This is 2 into 1 by your x square. That means if I need to calculate dy by dx, dy by dx means you right now bring out, and whatever the power I'm having right now, this can be written as of beta. This is 2 x to the power of minus 1 good raskocha. So this will become for me how much beta? Minus 2 x to the power of minus 2 minus 1. That means this will become for me 2 into 2. This is 4. This is minus 4 x to the power of your minus 3. So this one is minus 4 by your x cube. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm giving you some homework. So you please try to do on your own as of your practice. Don't leave it again for me. So find a differentiation. Find the differentiation of the following functions. Of the following functions. All the students who are weak in little bit of a mathematics, you make sure that you please try questions. 90% of the questions in kinematics are based upon the differentiations and integration. First one is 2x. Next one is nothing but 3x cube. Third one is nothing but of your 4 into your root x. And fourth one is nothing but of your 5 by x. And fifth one is your 6 by your root x. And sixth one is of your 7 by x to the power of 3 by 2. I hope you can do this all differentiations. You can do it now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us try to go for next one. Rule number 2. Rule number 2. So in the rule number 2, see the condition. If I'm giving you function, if y is equals to some u plus or minus of your v plus or minus of your w plus or minus so on like this one. So where I can say that where u comma v comma w so on are all differentiable functions, or all what beta? Differentiable functions. These are all your differentiable functions of what? X. Differentiable functions of your x. Then I can write the formula dy by dx. Dy by dx will be equal to, this will be du by your dx. This may be plus or minus. The next one is dv by your dx. This may be plus or minus dw by dx. This may be plus or minus, so on for the given condition. So this is the second rule. If you are having more than 2, 3, I can add them like this. Clear for everyone? Example, you see,
Yes, sir.
like y is equals to, I'm taking 3x to the power of 5 plus 3 into x cube minus 5. Find dy by dx. Find dy by your dx is equals to how much? Come on, help me out. dy by dx, this is dy by your dx is equals to e in the place of this one 3 into x to the power of 5 plus 3 into x cube minus 5 divided by your dx. That means I can write this one as of your d. This is a 3x to the power of 5 by your dx plus differentiation of 3 into x cube by your dx minus differentiation of your 5 divided by your dx. Only for your understanding, I'm writing the first question as in the all the steps. In the next steps, I'll not write this all these steps better. 3 into
15x to the power 4 plus 9x square.
by your dx, yeah. Plus this one is a 3 differentiation of x cube by your dx. Then this one is a differentiation of your 5 divided by your dx. Now see here, differentiation of x to the power of 5. 5 you bring it out, 5 x 5 minus 1. That means this will become for me 3 into 5 x to the power of 5 minus 1. That will become for me 4 plus 3 plus 3. Next one again 3 is out. So this one is nothing but 3.
3x square.
X to the power of 3 minus 1, that is nothing but square. That will be 3x square. Next one is constant, that will be equal to 0. So it is 3 5s are 15. 15 x to the power of 4 plus this one is 9 into your x.
9.
With the answer. I hope you're clear with this one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us go for next question. Y is equals to root x plus 2x to the power of your 3 by 2 plus 4 by your x square plus of your 5. Okay, find dy by dx. I'm not writing all the steps. You please try to do all the steps mentally and try to tell me the answer for the given question. So first one, if I'm writing dy by your dx, differentiation of your root x, then intaku mundu rashan. Differentiation of your root x is directly you can represent. Differentiation of root x is 1 by your 2 root x. So I can write that value here directly. So this one is 1 by 2 into root of your x plus this one will be 2 into, this is a 3 by 2 x to the power of, this is a 3 by 2 minus of your 1 plus 4 is nothing but of your out. This one is of your minus 2 x to the power of your 3. Ante kada? Minus 2 minus 1. Yeah, minus 3 plus next one is nothing but of your 0. So this will be 1 by 2 into root 5 plus this 2 will get cancelled. So this is 3. 3 by 2 minus 1 is nothing but how much beta? X to the power of 1 by 2. That means this can be written as of your root x minus this one is 4 2s are 8. So it is minus 8 divided by your x cube. So this will be the answer. Everyone has got this one beta?
Yes, sir.
So I hope you can do,
Yes.
isn't it? So I'm
Sir,
giving
can you
again some
repeat
questions.
once again?
Yes beta?
सेकेंड वाला फिर से बोलिए ना सर.
ये देखो बेटा मैंने क्या किया यहाँ पर रूट एक्स का मैंने निकाला है बेसिकली y इज इक्वल्स टू रूट एक्स मतलब कैसे लिखोगे बेटा x टू द पावर ऑफ 1 by 2.
1
इसका
by 2.
dy by dx कितना बन जाएगा बेटा को 1 by 2 x टू द पावर ऑफ 1 by 2 minus 1. तो ये हो गया 1 by 2 x टू द पावर ऑफ 1 by 2 minus 1 कितना हो जाएगा minus 1 by 2. तो ये हो गया 1 by 2 x टू द पावर ऑफ minus 1 नीचे लेके आ गए तो रूट x हो गया 1 by 2 रूट x.
Yes,
ठीक है
sir.
तो उसके बाद नेक्स्ट वाला देखो कौन सा है फिर से. नेक्स्ट वन इज देखो y is equals to 2x to the power of 3 by 2. तो इसमें से 2 बाहर निकालो ये x to the power of 3 by 2 है तो यहाँ पर हो गया 3 by 2 x to the power of 3 by 2 minus 1. तो इसमें ये 2 चले गया दिस इज 3 x to the power of 3 by 2 minus 1 यानी दिस वन इज 3 x to the power of 3 by 2 minus 1 कितना हो जाएगा बेटा 1 by 2.
1 by
1 by 2 मतलब 3 into root x.
yes.
क्लियर है ये वाला आ गया क्लियर.
Yes, sir.
उसके बाद नेक्स्ट वाला देखो नेक्स्ट वाला क्या है y is equals to 4 by x square. 4 by x square मतलब 4x to the power of minus 2 ना बेटा. So dy by dx का कितना हो जाएगा dy by dx is equals to 4. This one is minus 2 x to the power of minus 2 minus 1. तो ये हो गया कितना minus 8 x to the power of minus 3. तो ये हो गया minus 8 divided by x cube. आ गया.
Yes, yes, sir.
isn't it? अब नेक्स्ट वाला तो 5 है ना, 5 का डिफरेंशिएशन तो 0 है, क्लियर है?
Okay.
सर वो 4/x² को 4x⁻−2 कैसे ला
ये ऊपर चले गया ना बेटा, 1/x² है ना, x ऊपर चले गया
ओके ओके ओके
तो x⁻⁻2 हो गया,
यस
ठीक है? ओके, क्लियर है? अब होमवर्क दे रहा हूँ बेटा, ये आप लोग अपनी तरफ से ट्राई कर लो, जो भी बच्चे थोड़ा बहुत स्लो में हैं तो उन लोगों के लिए है बेसिकली, बट आई डू पर्सनल रिक्वेस्ट दैट आप लोग करने की कोशिश कर लो बेसिकली।
Okay.
मैं लिख रहा हूँ यहाँ पर, फाइंड द डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग, फाइंड द डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ फॉलोइंग फंक्शंस। नंबर 1 ये हो गया x⁴ प्लस 4x³ 4x³ प्लस 5x−6, और सेकेंड वन हो गया √x प्लस 2x⁻³ प्लस 4x⁻³ और थर्ड क्वेश्चन है 1/x minus 2/x² प्लस दिस वन इज 3/x³ प्लस ये हो गया 10x प्लस ऑफ योर 5, एंड फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है 1/√x प्लस 2/x⁻³ माइनस 4/x⁻³ 5/2। कर लोगे?
इंशाल्लाह।
ठीक है ना, ये आप लोग एज एन होमवर्क लेके कर लो।
ऐसे
नेक्स्ट वन
last
देखो
से-
बेटा, रूल नंबर 3। क्या बेटा कुछ बोले?
नहीं कुछ नहीं।
चलो रूल नंबर 3 देखो बेटा, रूल नंबर 3 क्या बोल रहा हूँ, अगर मेरे पास एक फंक्शन है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ योर प्रोडक्ट,
पहले वाला स्लाइड एक बार दिखा सकते हैं आप?
क्या बोले?
पहले वाला स्लाइड जी हाँ, एक सेकंड।
ठीक है,
हाँ, थैंक यू सर।
चलो नेक्स्ट वाला देखो बेटा, इफ y इज इक्वल्स टू u डॉट v, प्रोडक्ट है where u and v are differentiable functions, are differentiable functions, then dy by dx is how much? Then dy by dx is equals to, फर्स्ट वाला जो टर्म है ना उसको एज इट इज रखो, देन डिफरेंशिएट द सेकेंड टर्म dv by your dx, then plus, then keep the second term as it is, then differentiate the first term du by your dx. Is it clear? प्रोडक्ट रूल में देख लो फिर से एक बार फॉर्मूला, if y is equals to u dot v where u and v are differentiable functions, then dy by dx is equals to, keep the first function as it is, differentiate the second term, plus keep the second term as it is and differentiate the first term. Clear है?
सर
चलो एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं, देखो y is equals to, मान के चलो x³ into your cos x, okay, find dy by dx for this one, find dy by dx, find dy by dx। देखो ट्राई करो जल्दी से सभी लोग, dy by dx कितना हो जाएगा बेटा इसके लिए, dy by your dx is equals to, keep the first function as it is d cube, then differentiate the second term that is nothing but of your cos x by your dx, plus the second term as it is रख दो, that is nothing but of your cos x, then differentiate the first term that is nothing but dx cube by your dx। क्लियर है स्टेप सभी को?
सर यस
क्लियर है सभी को ये? तो दैट इज इक्वल्स टू ये हो गया x³ डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ cos x कितना है बेटा?
minus sin x
माइनस ऑफ sin x प्लस ये cos x एज इट इज रहेगा, डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ x³ कितना होगा?
3x square
3x²। क्लियर है सभी को?
Yes, sir.
तो क्या
Yes, sir.
आंसर आ गया इसका? माइनस
Minus
x³ इंटू साइन एक्स प्लस ये लिख सकता हूँ 3x² इंटू योर cos x। आया सभी को?
यस सर
यस
आया सभी को? क्लियर है? Am I going fast?
यस सर नो सर
क्लियर है ना?
यस सर
क्या फास्ट जा रहा हूँ?
नहीं सर
y is equals to next one x into log of your x minus x, find dy by dx, find dy by your dx। बोलो जल्दी से। dy by over dx is equals to, ये देखो पहले इसको डिफरेंशिएट करना है मेरे को। सो दिस वन इज नथिंग बट ऑफ योर राइट नाउ डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ योर x इनटू योर, ये हो गया log x बाय योर dx लिखना है, माइनस ऑफ फिर ये हो गया d इनटू योर x बाय योर dx। क्लियर है? ये प्रोडक्ट रूल है, तो फर्स्ट वन एज इट इज रखो, फिर डिफरेंशिएट द log ऑफ योर x by your dx plus then keep the log x as it is, then differentiate the first term, that is nothing but dx by dx minus ये वैल्यू कितनी आ जाएगी बेटा 1, dx by dx value is nothing but 1। so ये हो गया, next one is nothing but of your x into differentiation of log x कितना है बेटा
1 by
1 by
x.
x.
1 by x, very good। differentiation of this one is nothing but of your 1 by x plus this one is nothing but how much for me log of your x, और ये हो गया कितना minus 1। तो ये x और ये x चले गया, तो कितना आ जाएगा बेटा यहाँ पर 1
Log
प्लस
x
ये हो गया
and
log
this
ऑफ योर x, ये हो गया -1। ये वाला और ये वाला कट गया, तो आया कितना आंसर मेरे को log x इज द आंसर। क्लियर है सभी को?
Yes, sir.
कर लोगे ना?
Yes, sir.
चलो होमवर्क दूं कुछ? ओके, फर्स्ट वन वाला ले लो, x क्यूब इंटू tan x, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन करो। नेक्स्ट वन इज x टू द पावर ऑफ 4 इंटू log x, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन करो। नेक्स्ट वन इज x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 इंटू दिस वन इज x क्यूब प्लस 2x प्लस ऑफ योर 5, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन करो। x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 इंटू योर साइन ऑफ योर x, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन ट्राई करो। e पावर ऑफ x इंटू योर साइन x इंटू योर log x, इसका भी एक बार डिफरेंशिएशन करो। ट्राई करोगे ना? चलो नेक्स्ट वन इज रूल नंबर 4। रूल नंबर 4 क्या बोल रहा है देखो, if y is equals to u by v where u and v are differentiable functions, where u and v are differentiable functions, where u and v are differentiable functions, then dy by dx कैसे लिखोगे? वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बेटा, dy by dx, ये नीचे जो टर्म है उसको एज इट इज रखो, उसको हम लोग एज इट इज रख के स्क्वायर कर रहे हैं, दैट इज v स्क्वायर। देन नीचे वाले टर्म को एज इट इज रखो एंड डिफरेंशिएट द अपर टर्म, दैट इज नथिंग बट du by your dx। उसके बाद
du
बीच
plus
में जो
uv.
है ना, यहाँ पर जो साइन आएगा दैट विल बी माइनस, that will be your minus.
Minus.
Then you keep the above term as it is, then differentiate the down term, that is dv by dx। क्लियर है सभी को?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? ये हो गया मेरा डिवीजन रूल का फॉर्मूला। if y is equals to u by v where u and v are differentiable functions, then dy by dx is equals to v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx divided by v square। नीचे का जो भी टर्म होगा उसको स्क्वायर करके उसको सिंप्लीफाई करना, ठीक है?
ओके सर।
एग्जाम्पल्स देखो बेटा, फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल ले रहा हूं मैं, y is equals to sin x divided by your x, ठीक है? find dy by dx, find dy by dx, बताओ जल्दी से, find dy by dx। तो ये देखो dy by your dx is equals to, नीचे के टर्म को क्या करना है? स्क्वायर करना है, तो यहाँ पर एज इट इज लिख ले रहा हूँ। सो दिस वन इज एक्स स्क्वायर। तो फिर इसके बाद क्या करना है? नीचे वाले टर्म को एज इट इज करना है और ऊपर वाले टर्म को डिफरेंशिएट करना है, दैट इज साइन ऑफ योर एक्स बाय योर डीएक्स। उसके बाद माइनस, फिर ऊपर वाले टर्म को एज इट इज रखना है, फिर नीचे वाले टर्म को डिफरेंशिएट करना है dx by your dx। So this will come out for me your x into differentiation of sin x will be equal to how much beta? Cos x।
Cos x.
ये हो गया
X
मेरे
cos
पास
x
ऑफ योर
minus sin
sin
x.
x, dx by dx is nothing but
1
equal to 1 divided by your x square। यानी अल्टीमेटली आंसर क्या है मेरे पास? x into your cos x minus of your sin x divided by your x square is the answer। आया सभी को?
यस सर।
क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
कर लोगे ना ऐसे वाली प्रॉब्लम? ठीक है ना बेटा, ये क्लियर है सभी को?
Yes, sir.
और एक एग्जांपल, सेकंड एग्जांपल, मान के चलो अभी क्या लिया मैंने, u by v लिया ना, अब ले लो y इज इक्वल्स टू, मान के चलो सम tan x, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन बताओ, dy by dx कितना होगा? tan x कैसे लिख सकता हूँ बेटा? tan x विल बी इक्वल टू हाउ मच बेटा? sin x by cos x लिख सकता हूँ क्या?
Cos x.
Isn't it? इसका डिफरेंशिएशन करो बस, ज्यादा कुछ नहीं। dy by your dx, dy by dx is equals to, डाउन टर्म पूरा कितना है मेरे पास? cos x, यानी this will become for me how much? cos of your x whole square. Then I'll keep the first term as it is, that is nothing but of your cos of your x, then differentiate your sin of your x divided by your dx, होता है ना, माइनस उसके बाद ऊपर वाला टर्म as it is रखो sin x, then differentiate the down term, that is d by dx of your cos x. So this will come out for me, this one is nothing but cos x, differentiation of your sin x is nothing but how much beta? This one is also cos x minus this one is your sin x, differentiation of cos x is minus of sin x divided by this one is nothing but of your cos square into x. तो ये कितना बना बेटा? ये हो गया मेरे पास cos square
Cos
x
square
minus
x
of minus for me plus this one is nothing
plus
but a
sin
sin
square.
square x divided by your this one is your cos square x. Cos square x plus sin square x कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? 1.
1.
This is 1 by your cos square x. 1 by cos theta is nothing but how much better? This will become for me your
Cos
secant square
secant.
x.
Sin square x.
Oh,
Clear है?
Yes, sir.
तो tan x का डिफरेंशिएशन कितना आ जाएगा? secant square x. हम लोग यहाँ पर फॉर्मूले में भी लिखे थे स्टार्टिंग में, फॉर्मूले में क्या लिखे थे देखो यहाँ पर डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ योर tan x कितना आ रहा? secant
Secant
square
square
x. तो उसका प्रूफ भी आ गया यहाँ पर अपने को, बाय द हेल्प ऑफ योर व्हाट रूल? डिवीजन रूल. इसको हम लोग क्या रूल बोलते हैं? डिवीजन रूल. डिवीजन रूल. प्रीवियस वन को क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? प्रोडक्ट रूल. ये हो गया मेरा प्रोडक्ट रूल. ठीक है ना? वैसे भी आप समझ जाओगे, इसमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं है वैसे. अब कर लोगे ना मेरे ख्याल से. आई होप यू कैन डू द टाइप ऑफ ए क्वेश्चन वेरी इजीली. मैं थोड़े एग्जांपल्स दे देता हूँ, आप लोग ट्राई कर लो एक बार. होमवर्क दे देता हूँ मैं यहाँ पर ही. सो इसका एक बार एक होमवर्क ले लो इस फॉर्म पे. मान के चलो y इज इक्वल्स टू cot x है, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन करो. उसके बाद y इज इक्वल्स टू secant x है, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन करो. y इज इक्वल्स टू cosecant x है, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन कर लोगे ना? क्लियर है? इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं जल्दी से बता दो रफली. cot x कैन बी रिटन एज cos x by
Cos
sin
x
x.
by sin x.
secant x को कैसे लिख सकते हैं?
1 by
1
cos
by
x.
1 by
cos
cos
x.
x
cosecant x को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 1
by
by
sin x.
कर लोगे ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
पक्का?
sir.
चलो और एक भी दे देता हूँ, आप लोग ट्राई करो, लेकिन मेक श्योर दैट प्लीज ट्राई टू डू द वर्किंग ऑफ दिस ऑल क्वेश्चन. डोंट ट्राई टू कीप दैट वन असाइड. ऐसा नहीं है कि सर मेरे को आ गया मैं नहीं कर रहा. नहीं, अगर आ रहा तो स्पीड बढ़ाओ, जल्दी जल्दी करो, विल गेट द आंसर. y is equals to x divided by x square plus 1 to the power of your 1 by, इसका भी आंसर निकाल के बता. ठीक है, कर लोगे ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट वन है सेकंड डेरिवेटिव. सेकंड डेरिवेटिव ऑफ ए फंक्शन. second derivative of a function. second derivative of a function मतलब 2 times differentiate करना है बेटा, ज्यादा कुछ नहीं. so differentiation of y with respect to x twice second derivative मतलब ज्यादा डिटेल में नहीं जा रहा हूँ बेसिकली. so what I mean to say is right now second differentiation को हम लोग कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? I can write here right now as the differentiation of y with respect to x twice. With respect to x twice is commonly denoted as d by dx into dy by dx, or we directly write it as d square y by over dx square, or we write it as of your फंक्शन का डबल टाइम डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हो, सो इट इज एफ डबल डैश इंटू एक्स. क्लियर है? क्लियर है? मान के चलो एग्जांपल देता हूं, विल गेट मच क्लैरिटी. y is equals to x to the power of 4. Find d square y by over dx square and d cube y by over dx cube. ठीक है, चलो जल्दी से ट्राई करके बताओ. 2 टाइम डिफरेंशिएट करना, ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है. So y is equals to x to the power of 4. So first one, if I am doing dy by dx is equals to how much for me? 4 into x cube. You try to do it once again the differentiation. That means this is d square y by over dx square is equals to, this one is 4 out. Differentiation of x is nothing but of your 3 into your 3 minus 1, that is nothing but 2. That means 4 3 is 12 into your x square. Got it? आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
पहले एक बार डिफरेंशिएट करें बेटा, आइसो रिजल्ट को फिर एक बार डिफरेंशिएट करो, फिर आइसो रिजल्ट को और एक बार डिफरेंशिएट करूंगा मैं. आई एम डिफरेंशिएटिंग इज d क्यूब बाय dx क्यूब, दैट विल बी इक्वल हाउ मच. इसको डिफरेंशिएट करो, दिस वन इज 12. x स्क्वायर का डिफरेंशिएशन कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? 2 into x. 12 2 is 24, ये हो गया 24x. क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
चलो
Yes, sir.
now I am talking about dy by dx at a point x comma y. At a point x comma y. So we are talking about dy by dx at a point of x comma y. I mean to say, say for example, find dy by dx for the curve x square is equals to y at point 1 comma 1. Then how do you do it out beta? Try. क्या करोगे? y is equals to how much for me? y is equals to x square. इसका डिफरेंशिएशन कितना हो जाएगा? dy by dx is equals to 2 times of your x. Now we are asking the dy by dx at 1 comma 1, and that means dy by dx at your 1 comma 1. That means x is 1, y is 1. We have only x is equals to 1. You keep right now here, so that will come out for me too. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. One more example I'll give you. You'll get more clarity. Next example, dekh lo. Like say, if say x is equals to t cube divided by 3 minus half into your t square minus 6 into t plus of your 5. Find the value of d square x by over dt square at t is equals to 1 second. I hope everyone can do it out. Make it fast. First differentiate it better. That's it. We need to differentiate this one. First do the differentiation of dx by dt. Everyone. इसका differentiation कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? 1 by 3 is your out. Differentiation of t cube is how much for me? 3 into t to the power of 3 minus 1 t square minus half. Differentiation of t square is nothing but 2 into t. 2 minus 1 is 1 minus 6. Differentiation of t is nothing but of 1 plus next one is 0. That means this 3 will get cancelled. So this one is t square minus this one is nothing but of your t minus of your 6. आया सभी कुछ ना?
Yes.
A3
Yes.
A3 चले गया, A2 चले गया, 5 का तो 0 हो गया, सो ये हो गया dy by dx। इसका फिर से एक बार डिफरेंशिएशन करो, d स्क्वायर x by over dt स्क्वायर, t स्क्वायर का डिफरेंशिएशन कितना हो जाएगा 2t, dt by dt is nothing but 1, इसका तो 0, यानी d स्क्वायर x by dt स्क्वायर is how much? For this much, but we need d square x by over
Answer what?
dt square at what time? At t is equals to 1 second. That means this is 2 into 1 minus 1, that will be equal to 1. ठीक है? Clear है?
Yes.
I hope you are getting it. समझ में आया? फिर एक बार बोलो।
समझ में आया।
कौन भी रिस्पॉन्स नहीं कर रहे?
समझ में
आया
आया
सर।
पक्का?
ये समझ में आ गया सर।
सर।
चलो थोड़ा इसके होमवर्क ले लो और ट्राई कर लो आप लोग अपने घर पे बैठ के। मान के चलो if y is equals to sin x, find d square y by over dx square। ये प्रैक्टिस करने से क्या होता है मालूम है आप लोग को? जब आप लोग हायर लेवल के क्वेश्चंस करते रहोगे ना तो आप कंफ्यूज नहीं होगे। नहीं सर आता सर बोल के बोले तो अलग बात रहती, लेकिन एक से दो बार प्रैक्टिस करो तो ना विल गेट क्लैरिटी, और जब हम लोग करते रहेंगे ना विल बी गेटिंग मोर क्लैरिटी एट द टाइम।
हेडफोन हम पागल हो जाते नहीं तो
क्या है बेटा, आप लोग अपना बंद कर लो,
मिंशा
आप लोग।
मिंशू ब्राउन कैबिनेट पे अम्मू भैया के हेडफोन से लेके आओ।
पहले सर म्यूट।
चलो सेकेंड एग्जांपल ले लो, y is equals to x cube plus 4 into x square plus 5, find d square y by over dx square at x is equals to 0. Okay, third one, y is equals to 4x cube minus 2 into x square plus 2x plus 7, find d square y by dx square at x is equals to 2. ठीक है? Clear?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
So this was the sum of the differentiation की conditions जो आप लोग को किसी हाल में भी याद रखना है while doing the questions related to the examination part. ठीक है?
वाले का आंसर 12।
ओके सर।
क्या हुआ बेटा? और एग्जांपल्स दूं क्या? काफी है?
Examples.
Next one, very important. ये जितना हो सका उतना आप लोग को प्रैक्टिस करना है. So please try to be more attentive for this concept. That is, we can call this one as of your chain rule. We call this one as of your chain rule. और बस वो एक नाम रख लेता है, काफी है, फिर दो गए। अब देखो, listen it very carefully बेटा। सब पेन लो, या मान के चलो if, sorry तो नहीं दिख रहा है बराबर। if I am having a function like y is equals to x square minus 3 का whole square, find dy by dx, find dy by dx. We can easily do the differentiation of this one. We can easily do the differentiation of this. ठीक है ना? तो करना क्या है? इसको एक्सपैंड करना है कि नहीं? इसको एक्सपैंड करना है, तो एक्सपैंड करें तो क्या हो जाएगा? y is equals to x स्क्वायर माइनस 3 का होल स्क्वायर को अगर एक्सपैंड करना है तो ये बन जाएगा मेरे पास x to the power of 4 माइनस ये बन जाएगा कितना 6 into your x स्क्वायर प्लस ऑफ योर 9, होता है ना?
यस सर।
अब इसका dy by dx निकालो, dy by dx is equals to डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ x to the power of 4 का कितना आ जाएगा बेटा? 4 into x to the power of 4 minus 1 माइनस इसमें 6 आउट Differentiation of this one is 2 x to the power of 2 minus 1. इसका हो गया 0. तो आंसर कितना है? 4 into x cube minus ये हो गया 6 into 2, that is nothing but of your 12 into your x. आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now if y is equals to x square minus 3 to the power of 9 है समझो, क्या इसको एक्सपैंड कर सकते हो आप?
No, sir.
The expansion of x square minus 3 to the 9 is illogical, nonsense. इसको हो ही नहीं सकता, आप एक्सपैंड ही नहीं कर सकते. अब इसको हम लोग अदर वे में थिंक करना है. So we need to think in other way. We need to think in the other way. करना क्या है देखो, बहुत सिंपल है. y is equals to x square minus 3 to the power of 9. Assume x square minus 3 is equals to u. ठीक है? Assume x square minus 3 is equals to u. Then y is equals to how much beta? U to the power of 9. Now we can differentiate this one.
Yes, sir.
Now we can differentiate. It easily. इसका डिफरेंशिएशन कितना होता है बताओ? dy by your dx is equals to 9 minus 1. That means this one is 9u to the power of 8.
8.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So अब यहाँ now whatever we have assumed, do the differentiation of that one. Differentiation of that one. Isn't it? So u is equal to कितना था? x square minus 3 मान के चला था. तो अब u is a function of your x. u is the function of your x. तो इसका डिफरेंशिएशन बताओ कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? du by your dx is equals to x square का डिफरेंशिएशन कितना? 2x. डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ 3 कितना? 0. तो now what you do is, multiply and divide dy by du with du. ठीक है? What we do? We multiply and divide dy by du with respect to what? Your dy. यानी इसको देखो, ऐसा लिख रहा हूं मैं. Basically I am writing this one something like this. dy by your dx will be equal to dy by your du into your du divided by your dx. या यहाँ पर एक पॉइंट लिख सकता हूँ मैं. बेसिकली what we do is divide and multiply. Multiply and divide dy by your dx ले लो, dx with your du. That will be more better. ठीक है ना? So यहाँ पर देखो dy by dx को dy by du into du by your. ठीक है ना? So that is the way what I am writing the. ये हो गया मेरा.
सर आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही सर आपकी.
यहाँ पर मेरे पास du by dx आ गया.
सर आवाज हमारी
मेरे पास du by dx है. dy by du है क्या? देखो
आवाज नहीं आ रही सर आपकी.
सर आवाज क्लियर नहीं है.
by कितना होना चाहिए था? du by ये u है ना फंक्शन.
मैसेज करके
कोई कॉल
ये
करो
हो
जी
गया, so because here y is the function of what beta u, y is the function of u, so it is dy by your du, it is 9u to the power of 9 minus of your 1. क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
फिर एक बार लिख देता हूँ, देखो यहाँ पर
अरे
या तो यहाँ पर एक पेन और ये इसको थोड़ा छोटा कर लेता हूँ यहाँ पर, तो ये हो गया dy by du, ठीक है ना? चलो, तो हो गया मेरे पास ये कंडीशंस। अब ये हो गया चेन रूल dy by dx। तो आप देखो आंसर लिखो इसका, dy by over dx is equals to du by dy by और du कितना आया बेटा? 9 into ये जो वैल्यू आया था ना बेटा आपका u, कीप द वैल्यू ऑफ योर u बैक। ये जो u आपने अज्यूम किया था ना, इसको क्या करके लिखोगे? 9 into u की जगह क्या कर दोगे आप? x square minus 3 to the power of 8। कीप बैक द वैल्यू ऑफ योर u। तो यहाँ पर हो गया मेरे पास u की जगह मैंने वैल्यू डाल दी, तो ये हो गया x स्क्वायर माइनस 3 टू द पावर ऑफ 8 इंटू du by dx कितना आया? देखो du by dx इज नथिंग बट ऑफ योर 2x, सो इट इज नथिंग बट ऑफ योर 2x। तो आंसर कितना आया? 9 into 2 that will be equal to 18 into your x into x square minus 3 to the power of 8। so this will be the answer। क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
इसको और एक बार लिख ले रहा हूं, देखो यहाँ पर r, इसको ऐसा याद रख सकते हो बेसिकली, y is equals to x square minus 3 to the power of 9। assume x square minus 3 as x and differentiate it like differentiating x power of 9, it will be 9 x square minus 3 to the power of 8। differentiate x square minus 3, it will be 2x। multiply both as something like this, dy by over dx will be equal to 9 into x square minus 3 to the power of 8 into 2x। तो वही आंसर आ जाएगा, it is your 18x into x square minus 3 to the power of 8। क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
क्लियर है? तो पहले क्या कर रहे हैं देखो, we are differentiating the outer term, then keeping the inner term as it is, then differentiate the inner term and multiply the two differentiates, that will give me the answer। एक यहाँ पर नोट लिख रहा हूँ, देखो इसको आप याद रख लो।
सर वो आंसर कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ ना?
क्यों कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ बेटा?
उन्हें
अब इसको और एक्सपेंड नहीं करोगे ना, अब इतना ही काफी है। ये हो गया ना बेटा, अभी dy by dx पूरा x टर्म्स में आ गया। अगर x की वैल्यू दे दिया तो मैं x की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करके dy by dx वैल्यू निकाल सकता हूँ ना?
अच्छा
है कि नहीं? अब x की वैल्यू देना है ना, खाली एक ही अननोन है इसमें अभी।
ओके
ठीक है ना? चलो यहाँ पर नोट लिखो बेटा, क्या करना है देखो, फर्स्ट differentiate the outer layer, keeping the inner layer as it is, and then differentiate the inner layer, and multiply the two differentials, उतना ही कर रहा हूं ना। इसमें देखो पहले में ये आउटर टर्म है, इनर टर्म है बेटा, 9 इज आउटर, तो फर्स्ट डिफरेंशिएट द आउटर लेयर, कीपिंग द इनर लेयर एज इट इज, इनर लेयर को एज इट इज रखे, आउटर लेयर को डिफरेंशिएट कर दिए. देन यू डिफरेंशिएट द इनर लेयर, then you differentiate the inner layer, and whatever the result you get, you multiply. That's what I'm writing. First differentiate the outer layer, keeping the inner layer as it is, and then differentiate the inner layer and multiply the two differentials. Clear है?
How, sir?
ठीक है, चलो और थोड़े एग्जांपल्स कर लेते हैं, आप लोग को कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाएगा. मान के चलो y is equals to sin of your 2x है, इसका dy by dx बताओ जल्दी से. dy by your dx that is equals to sin 2x तो नहीं मालूम, ये आउटर लेयर है. sin 2x को क्या मान के चलोगे? 2x को आउटर लेयर मान के चलोगे, इसको पूरा क्या करोगे आप? x मान के चलो, ठीक है ना. assume 2x is equals to what? x.
X.
कितना बन जाएगा? डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ sin x, तो डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ sin x कितना होगा?
Minus cos X.
sin x का बेटा
cos x.
cos x, x की वैल्यू क्या है मेरे पास? 2x, ये डाल दिया मैंने. फिर क्या करना है? ये जो है अपने x एज्यूम किया हुआ है, इसको डिफरेंशिएट करो. तो कितना आएगा? 2x का डिफरेंशिएशन कितना? 2. तो आंसर कितना आ गया? 2 into cos of your 2x is the answer. क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
और एक देता हूं, देखो आप लोग और क्लैरिटी कर लो. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल, सेकंड एग्जांपल देख लो. लाइक y is equals to e to the power of 2x, dy by dx बताओ इसका जल्दी से. dy by dx, इसमें ये आउटर टर्म है, ये इनर टर्म है, तो फर्स्ट डिफरेंशिएट द आउटर टर्म. तो e to the power of 2x का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या हो जाएगा? e to the power of 2x ही होगा. डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ 2x कितना हो जाएगा? 2. तो आंसर कितना आ जाएगा? 2 exponential to the power of 2x. आया?
Yes, sir.
और एक देख लो.
Yes, sir.
y is equals to x square plus 3x to the power of 4. इसका डिफरेंशिएशन बताओ जल्दी से. dy by over dx is equals to, ये पूरा x मान के चलो, x to the power of 4. x to the power of 4 का डिफरेंशिएशन कितना? 4x. x to the power of 4 minus 1 यानी कितना हो जाएगा? x square plus 3x divided by 4 minus x into, इसका डिफरेंशिएट करना है. x स्क्वायर का डिफरेंशिएशन कितना हो जाएगा? 2x.
2x.
का डिफरेंशिएशन कितना हो जाएगा? 3. तो व्हाट इज एन आंसर राइट नाउ? 4 into, ये कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? 4 into 2x plus of 3, and this one is of your x square plus 3x to the power of 3. आया?
Yes.
आया?
Yes.
नहीं आ रहा.
आ गया sir.
आगे
y is equals to cos of your 3x, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन बताओ जल्दी से. dy by dx, 3x को क्या मानोगे? x मान के चलो. cos x का डिफरेंशिएशन कितना हो जाएगा?
Minus
माइनस
sin
ऑफ
x.
sin x. x की वैल्यू क्या मान के चला हम लोग ने? 3x. फिर 3x को डिफरेंशिएशन करो. 3x का डिफरेंशिएशन कितना हो जाएगा? 3. So what is the answer right now? Minus 3 into sin of your 3x. आया सभी को?
Yes, sir.
क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
चलो नेक्स्ट वन मान के चलो. y is equals to log of your e into your x square. चलो इसका dy by dx बताओ जल्दी से. x स्क्वायर को क्या मान के चलोगे? x मान के चलोगे. assume x square is equals to x. log x का डिफरेंशिएशन, log x का डिफरेंशिएशन
1 by x.
1 by x. x value is how much? x square
Square.
into differentiation of x square कितना?
2.
2x.
2x.
What is an answer? 2 by x.
2 by x.
समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
y is equals to sin of your 3x plus of your 2. इसका डिफरेंशिएशन dy by your dx is equals to कितना आ रहा है जल्दी से बताओ. ये पूरा x मान के चलो. sin का डिफरेंशिएशन cos x. x वैल्यू हो गया 3x plus of your 2 into 3x plus 2 का डिफरेंशिएशन ये कितना हो जाएगा 3.
Three.
Differentiation of 2
Zero.
is 0.
Zero.
What is the answer? 3
3
into
cos
cos 3x
3x
plus
plus
2. Clear है?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I hope you are getting it. आ
Yes,
रहा ना?
sir. Yes, sir.
I'm giving you some question as an homework. Very 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 important, compulsory आप लोग को practice करना है किसी हाल में भी. ठीक है ना? तो ये
Okay, sir.
चलो फर्स्ट वन देखो. Y is equals to x square plus 3x plus 3 to the power of minus 3. इसका dy by dx निकालना है. सेकेंड वन sin of y is equals to this one is sin 3x plus cos of your 2x. इसका डिफरेंशिएशन निकालना है. नेक्स्ट वन इज y is equals to exponential to the power of minus 3x plus this one is log e x cube plus ये हो गया sin of your 2x. ठीक है,
सर एक वक्त जरा वो थर्ड वाला एग्जांपल समझाइए पहले का.
मैं समझा देता हूँ बेटा, लिख देता हूँ पहले. y is equals to ये हो गया x square plus 3x to the power of your 15 plus ये हो गया sin 3x plus of your 2 plus exponential to the power of your x square minus of your 2x. Then fifth example is y is equals to x square plus 2x to the power of 1 by 2. इसका dy by dx. Next one is y is equals to 4 minus x to the power of 3 by 2. For all the above, differentiate it with respect to x. All the above, differentiate with respect to x. कौन सा वाला बोल रहे हैं बेटा? ये वाला.
Third वाला.
मैं करूं? मैं
जी
करूं?
सर. जी सर.
पक्का? क्या हुआ? डर हो रहा देखे?
सर ये वाला नहीं सर.
हाँ
इसके पहले के पेज में जाइए. ये थर्ड.
हाँ, थर्ड वाला क्या है देखो. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3x टू द पावर ऑफ 4. ये पूरा x मान के चलो. 4x आ गया, x की जगह वाली डाल दिया. 4 माइनस 1. फिर इसको डिफरेंशिएट करना है. एक्स स्क्वायर का डिफरेंशिएशन 2x, 3x का डिफरेंशिएशन 3. तो कितना है 4. ये वैल्यू 2x प्लस 3, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3, 4 माइनस 1 3.
ओके.
क्लियर है?
यस.
पक्का? ठीक है ना?
सर. सर वो होमवर्क में थर्ड वाला समझा दीजिए सर.
ये वाला
थर्ड वाला जी सर.
ट्राई करो ना, मैं ही समझा दो.
थोड़ा समझा दीजिए सर.
रफ में समझा दो.
जी सर.
देखो मैं शॉर्ट वन कर ही देता हूँ बेसिकली. क्या दिया बेटा मैंने? y is equals to exponential to the power of minus of 3x plus ये हो गया log e into your x cube plus ये हो गया sin of your 2x. ठीक है ना? पहले इसको dy by dx कर लो. dy by dx is equals to exponential to the power of anything is same minus of 3x. इसको डिफरेंशिएट करो, कितना हो जाएगा? डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ 3x इज नथिंग बट -3 प्लस ये हो गया x क्यूब को x मान के चलो. log ऑफ योर x का डिफरेंशिएशन कितना हो जाएगा? 1 by x. यानी x की जगह x क्यूब रख दो. डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ योर x क्यूब विल बिकम हाउ मच फॉर मी? 3 into x स्क्वायर प्लस sin 2x का डिफरेंशिएशन कितना हो जाएगा? cos ऑफ योर 2x. 2x का डिफरेंशिएशन कितना हो जाएगा? into 2. तो ये कितना आ जाएगा? -3 exponential to the power of minus of 3x plus ये हो जाएगा 3 by x क्यूब में ये स्क्वायर और ये x चले जाएगा तो it is a 3 by x plus ये हो जाएगा 2 into your cos of your 2x. क्या हुआ? सिंपल है ना?
हाँ सर.
तो कर लोगे बाकी के सब?
जी सर.
ट्राई कर लोगे ना?
इंशाल्लाह.
चलो. Is there any doubts beta for anyone? Please let me know. I'll try to help you out.
ओके सर.
किसी को कुछ डाउट है क्या?
No, sir.
No, sir.
आपका आज की क्लास क्लियर है सभी को?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आपका
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
tomorrow we'll try to go with your integration, maxima minima का concept कर लेंगे, then we'll try to enter to the topics. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Okay, चलो बेटा, then take care, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Have
Thank you, sir.